All right. So this week we were making hummus. I eat it pretty regularly. What about you?
I absolutely don't eat it regularly.
Okay.
I'm not a huge hummus fan, so when I saw that this was our recipe, I was like, okay, we'll see how this goes. Um, so I don't know. That was kind of like my opinion on that.
Is it like a texture thing for you or
Yeah,
flavor? Okay.
I don't know. I think it's a texture thing. It's just like kind of slimy. I don't know.
I get it. I get it. All right. Looking at the recipe, what did you think about how did it look to you?
Yeah, it looked really quick. Like I always thought hummus would take like forever. It was such a simple recipe. I didn't realize it was just like a few basic ingredients, which I was really impressed by actually.
Yeah, I liked how fast it went. What does he do?
Goddamn dog is so cute.
After we made it, what did you think about the hummus?
It was pretty good. It was a little lemony, but otherwise I liked it. Um, I just it was so fast. Like I didn't expect it to be that fast. So I felt like this is a really nice alternative to, buying chips and salsa for when I like have people over, just like pop some chickpeas and olive oil and stuff and make some hummus and be healthy. So what
Yeah,
did you
no,
think?
totally. And like I like chips and salsa too. Like I like spicy, and that's the one thing I would change. I would like add way more hot sauce than we did,
Yeah,
or find a way to like make it spicier.
right.
Because I felt like you said, I probably put too much lemon in it, but it really only just tasted like lemon and kind of
Yeah, a lot
veggie,
should be.
I guess. I don't
Yeah.
know. But yeah, I thought it was okay. I would make that at home real quick. I think like the best thing we did was pick like a really nice like whole wheat bread to go with it. Like I thought that made a big difference as well.
Right. And I thought that it was really cool how, it hits so many of the points in the Mediterranean diet just so fast. Having so many, nutrients, like having the olive oil, the chickpeas, and having it balanced with the whole wheat bread, it just really brought everything together. And I was really impressed by how something that was so quick and easy could hit so many points.
Yeah, especially when like I thought it was cool that like it was a major component was just like the olive oil. This
Right.
week was about like healthy fats, and it definitely had that 1 to 1.6 saturated to unsaturated fat.
Right.
I was surprised at how like light it was. It didn't feel like oily or greasy,
Right.
which I was kind of expecting it to. So,
Yeah. I feel the same way.
all right.